So what's up guys, I'm Matt from TechMesh and today I'm going to review the Boya BY-M1 lavalier microphone. So this microphone is compatible with smartphone DSLR or anything like that. And here is the feature. If you want to read it, then just pause here and you can read it. And this microphone has a really long cable. It is actually specifically 6-meter long cable. And here is the box itself, as you can see, and I'm going to unbox it right now. So in the box, as you can see, you will first get a pouch, which as you can see made by Boya, and in this pouch there will be the microphone, and here as you can see the user manual, and which no one's read, but it's there if you want to read it, so just put it aside. And the next thing in the box is a card. It's a notice card. Just let me focus it. As you can see, there is some instruction or something like that. Just put it aside. And here is the adapter for your DSLR or professional camera. If you want to record the audio with DSLR or professional camera, you can do it. So just put everything aside, and in the pouch you can see the microphone itself. And just let me focus the microphone. Here as you can see also the clip, and you have to clip it with your shirt and then you can record it. And here is the jack, 3.5mm audio jack, so you can plug it directly to your mobile or your PC. And if you want to use it with your professional camera, you can also do it with the adapter. So it is the controller for the Boya BY-M1 microphone, and here as you can see Boya written. And here camera, there is two mode for camera, or the next is for smartphone or laptop. So if you want to record with your smartphone, then you have to put it on the smartphone mode, or if you want to record with your camera, then you have to put the mode to camera mode. Okay, so the microphone requires a battery. They already included a battery in the microphone itself. Just let me show you. You just have to open this part, and here is the battery itself. It's a normal battery which usually used for clock. So it's a normal battery, you will get it almost everywhere, so don't worry about it. And with my normal uses, I would say that the battery will last you around 6 to 7 months, so you don't need to worry to change it frequently. And it's also a common battery for clock, so you can also find the replacement of the battery as well, so you don't have to worry about this. So you are wondering how the audio quality of this microphone will be sound like. So this video is completely recorded with this microphone. I made a voiceover with this microphone, so you already got the idea how the microphone sounds like. So in my opinion, this Boya microphone is a complete steal around the budget of $20 to $25. So with a little bit of audio editing and some enhancement, you can get really great quality audio with this microphone. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then please hit the like button, and if you want to know more about this microphone or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. So hope to see you in the next video.